Lilly and Finn Enchanted Pond. Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills and lush greenery, there lived a sweet little girl named Lilly. Lilly was known far and wide for her kind heart and adventurous spirit. She lived with her parents in a cozy cottage just at the edge of the village. One sunny morning, while exploring the woods near her home, Lilly stumbled upon a sparkling pond hidden amidst the trees. She had never seen this pond before and was instantly drawn to its shimmering waters. As she approached, she noticed something peculiar. A small fish swimming near the surface, its scales glittering in the sunlight. "Hello there, little fish," Lilly greeted with a smile. To her astonishment, the fish replied in a soft, melodious voice, "Hello, dear child. What brings you to my pond today?" Lily's eyes widened in amazement. She had never encountered a talking fish before. "I'm Lilly," she said, "and I love exploring the wonders of nature." "Who are you?" "I am Finn," the fish replied, "the guardian of this enchanted pond." "It is a pleasure to meet you, Lilly." From that moment on, Lilly and Finn became the best of friends. Every day, Lilly would visit the pond, and she and Finn would share tales of their adventures and dreams. Finn would tell Lilly stories of the underwater world, filled with colorful corals, majestic sea creatures, and hidden treasures. As their friendship grew, Lilly began to notice changes in herself. She became even kinder and more compassionate, inspired by Finn's wisdom and gentle nature. She started helping her neighbors without expecting anything in return, spreading joy wherever she went. One day, as Lilly sat by the pond with Finn, she noticed a group of children from the village throwing trash into the water. Lily's heart sunk at the sight. She knew she had to do something to protect her friend and the pond. "Finn," Lilly said with determination, "I won't let anyone harm you or your home. I'll make sure this pond stays clean and beautiful." Moved by Lily's words, Finn smiled gratefully. Together, they came up with a plan to educate the villagers about the importance of keeping the pond clean and respecting nature. Lilly spoke to her parents and the village elders, organizing a cleanup day at the pond. The villagers rallied together, picking up litter and planting trees around the pond to create a thriving ecosystem. Thanks to Lily's leadership and Finn's inspiration, the pond transformed into a heaven of peace and beauty. The villagers learned to cherish and protect their natural surroundings, understanding that every creature, no matter how small, deserves love and respect. And so, Lilly and Finn's bond remained unbreakable, a testament to the power of friendship and the magic of nature. As they sat by the pond, watching the sun set behind the trees, they knew that their adventures were just beginning. And they lived happily ever after, protecting their precious pond and spreading kindness wherever they went.